Hello everyone, good morning. I am Mr.DHAKSHUNHAAMOORTHY, Assistant Professor, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Subject code 21CS003 Mobile Application Development. Subject handle to class 3rd year 5th semester. Today's topic is location based services in Android with the Google Maps integration. The class of applications which use the knowledge of user location are known as location based services. Location based services LBS is a type of contextual service that helps in determining the geographical location of the user and then serve information based on this location to the user in order to enhance the overall experience. The location based information can be obtained in different terms such as position, vicinity, proximity, context, maps, routes, places, etc. Types of services: enterprise services, consumer services. In enterprise services, public safety or emergency services in times of firms in fleet and asset tracking emergency, the location of the mobile phone user. Second one is field service dispatching, can be easily traced. And third one is route and delivery optimization. And fourth one is mobile workforce management. Next one is consumer services, in which first one, navigation, navigating to a particular destination using route maps, routing, real-time traffic, etc. The second one is location based advertising, sending advertisements to a user that is within the vicinity of the store. Third one is family and friend finder. It helps in keeping track of the location of the family and friends. And fourth one, location based search, allows the users to query on the information about its surrounding, like a nearby restaurant, hospital, theaters, etc. The fifth one, location based mobile gaming. There are two ways in which the location of the mobile device can be tracked. Communication network. Communication network is the mobile network which transfers the service request from user to service provider and requested information back to the user. The global system for mobile communications, GSM, and code division multiple access CDMA are the most common standards for mobile network and are currently being used by majority of mobile phones globally. Mobile networks are usually controlled and maintained by service operators who provide connectivity for mobile users and charge them for data and voice transmission. Second one is GPS. GPS is a satellite based navigation system which provides location and time information by communicating with 24 satellite plates in the Earth orbits. GPS works in all weather conditions anywhere on the earth 24 hours a day. Mobile devices must have GPS receiver in order to decode the GPS signals. Assisted GPS is the new technology for smartphones that greatly improves the startup performance or time to first fix TTFF of a GPS satellite based positioning system. It is used with the GPS enabled cellular phone to make the location of a cell phone available much faster and with better accuracy. It consumes less battery power and requires fewer satellites. LBS components and service process. The component is mobile devices, applications and communication networks, positioning components and so on. Here the mobile devices, access to the LBS services is provided with the help of mobile devices to send requests and retrieve the results from the users. This mobile device can be in the form of mobile phones, tablets, portable navigation devices, PNDs and so on. Applications is nothing but the software developed by an application developer or provider which is downloaded and installed on the user mobile device, which also provides the interface to access LBS services, location based services. The communication networks as explained above in the mobile network, which transfers service request from user to service provider and requested information back to the users. Positioning component. To track user current location, positioning component is needed in the LBS application, since it is not feasible for users to input location manually and then give it to LBS services. Instead, some positioning technologies such as satellite positioning, cellular network positioning can be used to obtain the user's location. Service servers is another component. Here, service servers are responsible for processing service requests and sending back request results, and these service servers are maintained by service providers. Basically, these servers provide functionalities such as calculating positions, search for a route, or search specific information based on user's position. Service providers usually do not store and maintain all the information requested by the users. Instead, content providers are responsible for collecting and storing geographic data, location based information and other related data. These data will be requested and processed by service servers and then returned to the users. LBS process clearly explained in this slide. Here the satellite is sending the signals. Those signals are received by the mobile device through positioning, and this communication network in the radio towers, we are having different radio towers are interconnected with mobile switching network and the base station. This communication network is directly communicating to the internet cloud, and those service we are getting the different services that are get location details, route map, guide users to destination, get nearby location and so on. These services are extracted from the content data provider. This is how this flow is happening in the LBS process. We will see in the forthcoming slides. The following steps are the steps for LBS service process as shown in the figure. Step 1, user sends the service request to the service